Hi, I am Shivane from class 5. I am learning robotics from Ashtrix School of Robotics, Arumbakkam. Today, I developed this project for Atom Project Expo 2025. My project is simple electric car. The things I used in this project are chassis, 2 DC motors, 4 batteries, 2 wheels, switch and wires. The motor is connected through the battery from switch. When I turn on the switch, the wheel starts move and the car starts moving. When I switch off the switch, it stops moving. This is my project working demo. Thank you.